For centuries, black holes were imagined as the ultimate endings of the universe, regions where matter, light, and even time itself disappear forever. After uncovering their secret lives in our previous episode, a deeper and more unsettling question emerges. Do black holes themselves ever end, or are they truly eternal? To answer this, we must look far beyond the present universe, into a future so distant that stars no longer shine, and galaxies drift apart in silence. In this quiet, aging cosmos, black holes appear to be the last surviving giants. Long after stars burn out and planets grow cold, these dense objects remain, holding on to the mass they consumed billions of years earlier. For a long time, scientists believed this would be their final state, unchanging and immortal. According to classical physics, nothing could escape a black hole once it crossed the event horizon, making its existence permanent. But in the 1970s, a radical idea challenged this belief and reshaped our understanding of the universe. Physicist Stephen Hawking proposed that black holes are not completely black. At the edge of a black hole, where gravity warps space and time to their limits, quantum effects begin to dominate. In empty space, pairs of particles constantly pop into existence and vanish almost instantly. Near the event horizon, however, one particle can fall into the black hole while the other escapes. From the outside, this looks as if the black hole itself is emitting energy. This phenomenon, now known as Hawking radiation, implies that black holes slowly lose mass over time. The process is unimaginably slow. For black holes formed from collapsing stars, the loss of energy is so tiny that it would take far longer than the current age of the universe to detect any change. Yet over immense stretches of time, trillions upon trillions of years, the effect becomes significant. As a black hole loses mass, it becomes smaller and hotter, causing it to radiate energy more quickly. What begins as a barely noticeable leak eventually accelerates into a dramatic conclusion. At the very end of its life, a black hole is predicted to release a final burst of energy, a brief but intense flash that marks its complete disappearance. No black hole has existed long enough for this to happen yet, but the theory suggests that even the darkest and most powerful objects are not immune to time. When black holes finally vanish, the universe enters an era unlike anything before it. With no stars left to ignite and no massive structures remaining, space becomes a cold, dilute expanse of drifting particles. This possible fate is known as the heat death of the universe, a state where all energy is evenly spread out and nothing meaningful can happen again. Yet the importance of black holes lies not only in their distant demise. By studying how they form, evolve, and eventually decay, scientists probe the deepest laws of nature. They sit at the intersection of gravity and quantum mechanics, offering rare clues toward a unified theory of reality. In the end, black holes are more than cosmic destroyers. They are reminders that even the most extreme forces are temporary. In a universe defined by change, nothing, not even darkness, lasts forever. And in learning how black holes die, we uncover a profound truth. Every ending in the cosmos is simply another chapter in its endless story. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more cosmic journeys.